Good day, my wonderful learners. You are welcome to today's class, and the topic that we'll be considering today is standard form. Standard form could be expressed in the form a times 10 raised to power n, where a is a number between 1 and 10, and n could be positive or negative integer. So we are going to consider the first subtopic under standard form for today, and I want to encourage you to watch the other video where we have n less than 1. So today's subtopic is when n is greater or equals to 1. Example: express the following in standard form. Let's solve this question. Number 1, we have 650. So we are going to have 650 times 1. It still gives us 650. Then we are going to have 65 times 10. It will still give us 650. Then we are going to have 6.5 times 100. So therefore, our answer will be 6.5 times 10 raised to power 2. That's the standard form. We've expressed this number in form of standard form. Number 2, we have 70,000. So we are going to have 7 times 10,000, which is equals to 7 times, we have 4 0 here, that will be 10 raised to power 4. Number 3, we have 5286. This will be 5286, that is 5,286 times 1. It will also give us 528.6. By the time we put points here, we are going to add 1 0 to this one. We are going to multiply it by 10. We also have 52.86 times 100. Then we are going to have 5.286 times 1000. So therefore, our answer will be equals to 5.286 times 10 raised to power 3, since we have 3 zeros here. Then question 4. We have 48 million. So we are going to have 48 times 1 million. Then we are going to have 4.8 times 10 million. The moment we put points here, we are going to add 1 0 to what we have here. So therefore, our answer will be equals to 4.8 times 10 raised to power. We have 7 zeros here. 10 raised to power 7. So I want you to try the following and put your answer in the comment section. Express the following in standard form. We have 7280000. Then we have 65000000. Then we have 8791. We also have 582.6. Then we have 80,000. Put your answers in the comment section. Thank you.